In Laos, a digital revolution is quietly unfolding, not with weapons but with smartphones. Everyday people are leading the charge, united by the Pi network. At the second Pi-based learning and exchange event, excitement filled the air. People from all walks of life gathered, not just to talk about cryptocurrency, but to build a new economy from the ground up. Farmers, students, shopkeepers, and artists shared stories and ideas, learning from one another. This was more than a meeting. It was a celebration of community and a declaration that the future belongs to everyone. The people of Laos aren't waiting for change, they're creating it, one tap at a time. The event showcased the growing strength of the Pi community and their belief in a decentralized future. Pi is more than a digital currency. It's a tool for empowerment and participation in the global economy. The event provided space for education, collaboration, and building real-world value. What began as a small group has become a nationwide movement. The excitement is spreading, inspiring more people to join and become pioneers. Friends and neighbors are getting involved, eager to be part of this historic moment. The message is clear. A new digital dawn has arrived in Laos, built by the people it serves. This is just the beginning of an amazing journey for the nation. The revolution is real, and it's happening now. Laos is stepping boldly into the digital age. The Pi network in Laos is more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a people-powered movement. It gives ordinary people the tools to build a better future, focusing on sustainable long-term value. Pioneers aren't just mining coins. They're weaving a new digital society, one connection at a time. Pi's core idea is inclusivity. Anyone with a smartphone can join. This accessibility breaks down barriers, giving equal opportunity to farmers in remote villages and tech experts in the city. It's true financial democracy in action. The movement thrives on collaboration, not competition. Pioneers build security circles, invite others, and create a trusted network. At meetups and online, people help newcomers, share knowledge, and support each other. This shared purpose drives the movement forward. The Pi network's strength comes from its global community, not corporations or governments. Laotian pioneers are active builders, shaping the network's future with daily engagement. They know Pi's value comes from the people who use it. This is a fundamental shift in how we think about money and value. The revolution puts power back in the hands of the people. In Laos, that power is growing every day. At the recent event, the Pi community in Laos embraced the global consensus value, $314,150 for one Pi. This isn't a market price, but a symbol of belief and unity. It's a collective declaration. This is what our effort and future are worth. Inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, this value represents a vision for transformative digital currency. By adopting the GCV, Laotian pioneers align with a global movement, setting a high standard for Pi's potential. The GCV acts as a North Star, guiding the community's efforts and inspiring big thinking. It shifts the mindset from "what is Pi worth today?" to "what can we build together?" The GCV fosters trust and encourages real-world utility. Laos's adoption of the GCV shows maturity and confidence. They're not waiting, they're building. This symbolic value unifies pioneers and sends a clear message. Laos is serious about its digital future. The Pi community is organized, determined, and ready for what's next. The Pi network's growth in Laos stretches far beyond the capital. Local gatherings in towns and villages are the lifeblood of the movement. Here, digital vision becomes local reality. Neighbors meet, share meals, and help each other with Pi. These meetings build trust and strengthen the national network. Pioneers are more than nodes. They're friends and collaborators. Through the Pi app, a villager in Laos connects with millions worldwide. This global connection empowers local pioneers to dream bigger. Pi's success in Laos comes from blending local action with global reach. The movement is grassroots and personal, yet part of a worldwide phenomenon. Laos is weaving itself into the global digital tapestry, one connection at a time. The revolution is happening, village by village. The Pi community's energy peaks during Pi Mai Lao, the Lao New Year. This festival of joy and renewal mirrors the growth of the Pi movement. Both are about strengthening bonds and celebrating community. Pi Mai Lao is a time to wash away the old and welcome the new, just like Pi's mission to replace old financial systems. The festival's unity and shared identity echo the spirit of Pi meetups. During Pi Mai Lao, people travel to reconnect with family, mirroring how Pi bridges distances digitally. The network keeps families connected, building bridges across physical and economic divides. As people travel for the festival, they share the story of Pi, spreading the movement. The festive spirit becomes a catalyst for Pi's growth. Ancient tradition and future possibility intertwine, creating a uniquely Laotian movement. Together they celebrate renewal and the promise of a better future. A digital revolution needs real roads. Laos's upgraded transportation is connecting the Pi community like never before. More buses and better roads mean more people can attend events and share ideas. Key routes to economic hubs are now more accessible, linking pioneers across the country. New cross-border services strengthen regional ties, positioning Laos as a digital hub. Urban transport projects make it easier to organize and attend local meetups. Every improved road and bus stop brings people closer, fostering community spirit. Infrastructure investment signals Laos's readiness for the future. Integrated travel networks support both physical and digital connectivity. As Laos becomes more accessible, so do the opportunities Pi offers. The new roads and railways are paving the way for a digital future. To understand Pi in Laos, listen to its people. Anong, a village weaver, dreams of selling her textiles directly to buyers worldwide using Pi. For her, Pi means fairness and a new future for her family. Com, a university student, sees Pi as a gateway to the global digital economy and a platform for innovation. He's learning, building, and connecting with pioneers around the world. Boundme, a shop owner, started accepting Pi for small items, investing in the future, and building customer loyalty. His dream is to make his shop a hub for the local Pi economy. Across Laos, pioneers have unique dreams, better seeds, new resources, global audiences. What unites them is optimism and the drive to build a brighter future. Pi empowers them to stop waiting for change and start creating it. Each story is a thread in the fabric of a new digital Laos. The movement is personal, practical, and full of hope. Together, they're shaping a future they believe in. The Pi Network's goal in Laos is to build a real digital economy. Utility is the foundation. Pi must be useful for real goods and services. At events, pioneers barter rice for phone repairs, scarves for consultations. Each transaction proves the concept and builds confidence. Community leaders create online marketplaces and groups for trading with Pi. This grassroots effort forms a circular economy, where Pi flows between farmers, mechanics, and shopkeepers. Education is key. Leaders teach digital literacy, secure transactions, and scam awareness. This ensures safe, sustainable growth for everyone. The Vision Live daily life using Pi, bus tickets, coffee, even rent. It's a slow, steady process, but the foundation is being laid now. Every pioneer, merchant, and barter is a building block. Laos's digital economy is rising, one step at a time. The future is being built together. The Pi network in Laos is a story of hope, community, and vision. A simple idea, a digital currency for everyone, has become a nationwide movement. From learning events to the symbolic GCV, pioneers are showing what's possible. They're not waiting for the future. They're building it, using smartphones and community strength. This is more than technology, it's a human story. It's about weavers, students, shopkeepers, and a nation blending tradition with digital possibility. New roads and railways are carrying dreams and connecting pioneers. The foundation is laid, the community is strong, and the momentum is real. The revolution is quiet but powerful, a tap on a screen, a shared dream. The invitation is open. Be part of something historic, in Laos and beyond. The revolution is here. Are you in?